George Maringa, KTN News in Wajir County.
So now, meanwhile, a crisis is looming over the transfer of teachers who were affected by the delocalization policy in the North Rift region. Many teachers born in West Pokot County and have been working in the neighboring counties have been allegedly denied the chance to go back to their home counties despite a government decision to scrap off the delocalization policy. Now, as Bramwell Bwire reports, the Kenya National Union of Teachers, that is NERT, is demanding that TSC effects the transfer of teachers with immediate effect to enable smooth running of schools.
After a motion by the Lurambi Member of Parliament Titus Hamala last year, the delocalization policy by Teachers Service Commission that had affected at least 6,000 teachers was done away with. Early this week, teachers born in West Pokot and working in the counties of Trans Nzoia, Nandi, Uasin Gishu and Elgeyo Marakwet camped at various TSC offices demanding their transfer letters back to their home county.
Wakati tunaajiriwa tunatoka huko kwa kaunti zetu tunakuja huko. We lack that hardship allowance for the first thing. Then wale wengine ambao wamekuwa tu wakiwa vizuri wanakwenda kule kwingine. Sasa sisi wenyeji wakati sasa delocalization imeisha, badala turudishwe at least we go and enjoy our rights. Hawataki kuturudisha.
Tuende darasa. Kwanza mimi siendi shule.
The Kenya National Union of Teachers Secretary General Collins Oyu has come out in support for the protesting teachers, accusing Teachers Service Commission for blocking the teachers' return to their home county.
Every other county, regional office, has received letters from the head office, Teachers Service Commission. Reason why these letters have not been distributed is a question we want answered. So we are demanding that if any regional director has letters and should be released to teachers to be relocated back to their home counties, that must happen as soon as yesterday.
Oyu further questioned the posting of one teacher by TSC to handle grade 7 pupils in junior secondary, saying that some schools have several grade 7 streams. The Secretary General noted that this complicates the smooth execution of junior secondary school education.
As we speak now, and I've walked to several schools, and most of schools that had streams. Imagine one teacher being posted to a school to handle grade 7. And then the streams are 5 or 4. I think that is a big joke.
The protest by teachers come at a time when TSC is grappling with the balance between the high number of learners and limited resources to recruit more teachers. Bramwell Bwire, KTN News, Kisumu.
Right, so Kanu Party Chairman Gideon Moi, who is also the chairman of the board of Moi Barak High School, has inaugurated new dormitories and classrooms in the school. Moi says the new infrastructure at the school would go a long way in meeting the needs of students after a commendable performance in the recently released KCSE results. According to the board chair, the demand by students to join the school has necessitated